I'm Webe Kalibala, an Atlas Co-Fellow serving at the International Accountability Project and an alumni of the Human Rights Advocates Program 2011. International Accountability Project is a non-profit that works with communities to boost their local advocacy efforts and to also enhance their capability to access the policy-making spaces. We work with a global advocacy team of 8 people from 8 different countries, documenting their experiences of rights violations uh, arising from investments by multilateral development banks. We also uh, providing early warning information, and this information is about projects that are yet to be implemented and have a high likelihood to cause human rights violations. So we analyze this information and send to communities where these projects are going to be done. We also provide community action guides to the people who are doing the trainings and also to communities to know the basic information about investments. And also we're a part of the coalition of civil society organizations that are participating in the consultations uh, for the review of the environmental and social safeguards by the World Bank. So we are having our input in working with all the communities and activists and civil society organizations that are doing work at the national and international level to see that we can have an input in the consultations to strengthen the environmental and social safeguards for the World Bank. My experience with the Human Rights Advocates Program is one that I always refer back to because it introduced me to advocacy at the international level. I had done quite an amount of work at the community and national level, and also at the regional level, and I felt that the international was quite a different forum because it presented dynamics that included an analysis of the at the international spectrum, and I realized that advocacy is rather incremental from the community to the national to the regional, and then now we see how we fit into the international space with all the international regulations that our countries have signed to. So it was that opportunity to be able to understand how the international space works. The other is something that we are always talking about, which is a development and investment in high risk areas, conflict sensitive areas. And we are saying that we need to ensure that peace prevails, and then we can now talk about investment. And for me, my experience through the Human Rights Advocates Program with the transitional justice classes that I took was that we can always look at win-win situations if we apply transitional justice in areas that are coming out of conflict, other than the punitive justice, which always brings the loser and the winner. And then we can talk about development of these areas when actually we know we have had an effort around bringing lasting peace. And so I'm a very, very big advocate of transitional justice, where communities are yet to embrace development for poverty reduction. My call to the Human Rights Advocates Program is that we can have many more Ugandans coming. I was doing land rights advocacy. My colleague was doing refugee rights. Another was doing public health. And these are all very big fields in my country. So I really advocate that the Human Rights Advocates Program can have many more Ugandans come on board. Thank you.